How to create split screen in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create split screen in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and then you have to just open the project that you want to work on. I'm going to drag a project over here. For example, let's just add this over here and then this over here. Now you want to create the split screen. You can do this with videos, images, or anything. The process remains same. So you have to click this plus sign over here and add it to the track, and now drag this one just above it. Once you add these, now just adjust where you want it to be. So I'm going to just use split screen on these now. Now you have to just come to this mask option under the video section. You'll find this mask option, click it and then click add mask. Now you can choose any mask that you like over here. I'm going to use the split one, and once done, now you can adjust the space that you want for each, or you can just rotate it and just add over here the angle that you just like. I'm going to just choose the 90-degree angle, and here you go. I have created a split screen over here. So you have this screen over here and this screen over here, and that's a split screen over here. And that's how you create a split screen on Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.